Today is Saturday, the 5th of March. See what's going by. Fire truck. Anyway, this is the heavy-duty extension cord I got for my welding machines and plasma cutter. Probably 20 foot. And I tore my Lincoln AC/DC cracker box. I pulled every screw on that thing out. Got down to where I get to where the leads go into the unit. And they're soldered in place, not bolted on inside. Well, son of a gun. So, then I spent 30 minutes putting it all back together. And went ahead and used the light lead coming off the machine. It is where it is. And my new long leads hooked up with the coupler. That's what these things are. Not a whole lot to it. Then I had to test it, make sure I didn't mess anything up when I put it back together, because I had to pull apart a lot of the electrical connections internally to get different components off and out of the way. So this bead here is DC positive, that's DC negative, that's AC, using just a 6011 rod. It's just what I grabbed first. Set on 95 amps on DC and 150 on AC, and I got it all back together correctly. It worked. Very happy about that. Seriously, I had to take everything apart. Just find out that these leads are soldered to the component internally. Most irritating. But it's okay now. With these long leads I bought from the center line of the building, I can go better than 20 foot out the back door and better than 20 foot out the front door, which will make it very handy. If I don't want to get my extension cord out, I can plug a welder over there at the plug and just run my leads out to where I'm welding over in this area. Very easy. Got plenty of room. So yeah, got that taken care of. Might actually put that carbide only grinder someplace else and put this Lincoln welder where that grinder is, so it's right next to the cord. That might be a plan. Got to shift some stuff around to be able to do that. I'll think on that for a bit. Real pretty day today. Probably up about 75 now. But I wanted to get this done so I can use this welder when I want to. The leads that come with it, they're just too freaking short. That's all there is to it. If you're working in your garage and on something not very big, it'd be okay. But if you're working on anything that's of any size, you're going to be repositioning the machine because the leads are too short. That's all there is to it. So, that's about it. Got to clean up my mess. Dirt had work day. She's off tomorrow. So tomorrow might be the day we go up to the farm. I don't want to go up there by myself today. It's no fun. Anyway, let me clean up my mess and figure out what to get into next. Thank you.